Good afternoon, it's James, and we are sat in a beautiful 2019 Volvo XC60. So it's brand new, 19 plate, only got 1,000 miles on the clock. And this particular customer came to us because he saw one of our videos, or the video of the other Volvo that we did on YouTube, and it has a very similar or the same Sensus tablet portrait iPad style system. So this has got the navigation, Bluetooth, DAB, radio and all the other bits and pieces, media, USB. And what we've done today is we have fitted a reversing camera and a front parking camera. So both bumpers have been off. It's been a really involved day because we're perfectionists, but this is what we've come up with. Now, as Tim is sat in the back with the camera, the picture quality is great right now, but as he zooms in to show you the picture image, it might go a bit fuzzy around the outside. It's not our cheap camera because we've got a nice camera, it's just the way we've got the light settings outside as well. So, automatic gearbox, pop it into reverse, and you instantly get the image. Now, of course, the image can't be any other than it is. It's widescreen, but of course with the tablet style, we are portrait instead of landscape. So with this particular platform of vehicles, the majority of them can't handle or offer moving guidelines. We can give you guidelines, but they don't move, which looks a little bit silly. So what we do is we get rid of them. We also get rid of any superimposed overlay of the parking sensors, and also we offer a black screen surrounding the main menu, because this is, the image is just an overlay on top of the screen. Okay, so let's just quickly reverse up, handbrake off. So as we reverse up like so, you can see it's a really, really clean image, and that's what you get with an aftermarket camera. So as soon as we now pop it into drive, the front camera will come on, and rather than have a switch somewhere fitted that's not factory style, we've gone for a time setting of 11 settings. So let's pop it into drive. Like so. As you can see, the image is slightly higher because the rear is the lower, front camera image is slightly higher. And what we're going to do is we fitted this camera really, really low, so that's 11 seconds. But with this model, double press. Once you double press on the home screen button down here, you've got a live front image if you haven't finished your parking maneuver. So as Tim zooms in there, I'm just going to pull forward. What we've tried to do is we've tried to get the camera to not see vehicles coming out of the sky, because that's ridiculous, but we've tried to give it so that the user has such a nice, clear, wide angle, and that means that if there is a low bollard or a curb, then you're going to pick that up. So parking sensors have picked up that we're quite close to the image in front, or the thing in front. If I was to reverse up any more, would be probably about a foot away from that wall, so I can just creep in like so, and you can see how accurate that image is. Okay, so let's just pop it into reverse, rear image again, pop it into drive, and you've got your front image. So for an aftermarket bit of kit, this is as seamless as you possibly can for front and rear parking cameras on this particular setup, or this sensor system in here. You can see the quality of the camera, hopefully through our camera, is absolutely perfect. And anybody that wants to do a front maneuver, just waiting for that. So what I'll do, let's just quickly, let's pop it into reverse. Okay, let's then go into drive. Okay, it's just heard the doors locking there, and you can then pull into a nice parking maneuver. It's not pixelated, it's nice and clean, and just pick up this bin here, absolutely perfect. And you can see the resolution is pretty good. So if you've got a vehicle like this, it's the second one we've done. We're going to be doing more in the Volvo series that have the Sensus touchscreen tablet style. This is front and rear parking cameras, fitted down here in Poole in Dorset at our headquarters. And if you've got a Volvo like this, then you can have this done for it to give you as much seamless integration as possible. Our website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and as usual guys, keep subscribing, keep watching, because it keeps us busy with doing videos for you.